Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Listing this frame on Easter Sunday 2018, and my dog is going to insist on getting in the way because he wants to go home right now. It's late at night, or it's starting to get late. So anyway, CJ7 frame has been sandblasted. That's why it looks beautiful. Rust-free. I will point everything out on it. I did leave it out in the weather a little bit, so it's got a little bit of flash rust, but it will come right off. Nothing cancer, no scaling, nothing like that. It is an early CJ7 frame, and the way you can tell are that and that. That's a dead giveaway because the early CJ7 frames have a welded on shock mount versus the later ones have a removable bolt-on one. You can use this one on a later one and vice versa, but it is something you should be aware about. The other thing that's been done to this one, besides that we sandblasted it, is you'll notice the front, this crossbar here, and that big old leaf spring perch, as well as those there, are not stock. What they did is a shackle reversal on it, which is a really good upgrade, and they did weld that on. It can be cut off and put back to factory. It would take a little bit of work, but it can be done. It's a great upgrade. It's something I would highly recommend if it's not something, if it's something you're cruising around in or wheeling in or something. It's a really good upgrade. They ride a lot better. You can read about them online. Otherwise, the back half is identical to a factory one, and whatnot. So a little bit of, you see that little there and there was welded on side steps that we cut off. So those we never ground down the rest of the way. So you can grind those off if you like. Back half of the frame has been reinforced. It had a tire carrier on it, and it's pretty thin back there normally, so they put a plate. You can see there where they spot weld through out there. So you can cut that off as well if you want, but I would leave that on. It'll be hidden under whatever you're mounting it to. Anyway, let's see. That should be it on the top side. Let me flip it over. They don't weigh a ton, but they have a little bit of weight behind them. And this is where you'll see a little bit more of that flash rust through this area. But I just want you to see that it's not any kind of rust as far as scaling or anything like that. You can see it almost just wipes right off still. So it was just recent, and we usually coat these, and I will probably coat this before it ships, unless you don't want us to. Some people don't, because they are putting something on them that requires kind of that bare metal finish to it. So it's just totally up to you. That's kind of a close-up of the shackle reversal that's been done to it. And then again, those guys there, which normally is there, if you don't know, is that exactly. So those are frame riveted on, and it would be fairly easy to knock those off and go back to that design if that's something you want to do. And then the front of those, I can get new front ends as far as if you want to go back to stock. But again, depending on what you're wanting to do, I would probably leave them alone. That's just me, and whatnot. So beautiful frame, nice, straight, clean, rust-free frame. Other area likes to rot out on these guys are these body mounts. This one's a little bit wallowed out there. You can see how much bigger it is than these guys. You can put a little bit more material back in there. That one's stock. That one looks good. That one looks good. And that one, of course, is good as well. So anyway, that's it. 303-666-9020. Give us a call, shoot us an email, Jeeps Unlimited, USA@gmail.com, or go to the website, look at this frame or anything else we have on there. Yeah, we'll go from there. I appreciate you taking a look. Thank you.